Hello everybody, I'm Aggelos and I'm a student of VRAcademi. Today I'm going to show you all about my game. It's called Volcano Escape. Let's load the game. So as you can see, I've got a timer with 70 seconds and I have a score. The aim of the game is to collect as much keys as you can in the time limit. So you need to go all around the place trying to find the keys. This game is really fun to make and really awesome. So as you can see, I need to go around the map, find the keys, and collect them. Hopefully I could get 20 more in 30 seconds. So there's one right there. And then there should be one right here. It's a pretty simple game, and as you can see, I won. I really love this game, and I want to thank the teachers that helped me make this, Saurabh and Samia. Thank you very much. If you want to make games like these, go to VRAcademi. And if you want to download this game, it will be in the link in the description. Thank you.